Now for sale, the Sunbeam quartz regulator. Oh, well, not regulator. I'm so used to saying that. Wall clock with some minor damage. Hardly visible. It's a beautiful clock. I'm getting rid of it because it's battery operated. And also, I found other clocks that are better to replace them for. If you want this clock, tell me. If you have an app called Letgo, go on that. And if you live near me, you could come pick it up. In the comment section, type the number 17 if you're interested. Then say the price you want and who and what your name is. If you want it, I'll be storing it in my garage. So, if you want it, I would hurry up before it gets too damaged. If it does get too damaged, I'll either give it away for free or throw it away. That's all. Goodbye.